Yo, still over here. Let's make the screen bigger. In our last video, we discussed the nucleolus, which is this smaller inner circle of the nucleus. That is the nucleolus on the inside of the nucleus. On this one, we are again going to be discussing an organelle of the cell, and that one is going to be the ribosome, or plural ribosomes. Now, the ribosomes, let's work about their structure. Interestingly, we see them packaged up here in little ball-like figures, but really they are shaped more like a hamburger. It's got a top bun and a bottom bun, but for our sake right now, when we get into DNA, we'll talk more about the hamburger bun ribosome. But for our sake right now, we're going to stick with this cylindrical model here, or this spherical model. It's made of proteins and rRNA. So that's going to be ribosomal RNA. So it's ribosomal nucleic acid, okay? But it's made of proteins as well. And sometimes, just depending on if it's ribosomes from a prokaryotic cell or a eukaryotic cell, it could be made of more proteins. Now, interesting, it's located on the rough ER and or floating in the cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance on the inside of each cell, right? So it could be floating, and the difference is that those that are on the rough ER or on the endoplasmic reticulum, then those are more versatile when it comes to what types of proteins that it's going to make. Their whole purpose is to make proteins, right? Their job is to make proteins. And so those that are located on the rough ER make very versatile proteins that could be used on the inside of the cell or on the outside of the cell. Those that are just floating around on the outside of in the cytoplasm are usually a bit more specific. So you have ribosomes. They are located specifically on either the rough ER or the endoplasmic reticulum, or they are floating around in the cytoplasm. They're made of proteins and ribosomal nucleic acid, and their whole job is to make proteins, ribosomes. Ribosomes are actually, by the way, created in the nucleolus. Ribosomes are created in the nucleolus, specifically in eukaryotic cells. All right, hopefully that helps.